Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mississippi Girl Life. So in this video I'm going to show y'all a simple way to make at home rice with garlic and butter. So garlic and butter rice at home, instead of buying all that processed stuff that's already got it in it and extra stuff in it to preserve it and all of that. I'm about to show you how to make it at home. I love my rice cooker, so if you ain't got a rice cooker and you can afford one, go ahead and get you one. Even if you have to go to like the thrift stores and stuff, get you one. The one I use, it's a rice cooker, a slow cooker, and all that. So yeah, and it's Aroma is the name of it, Aroma. But I love my rice cookers. Okay, so let me show you what you're gonna need for this recipe. All right, y'all, so you're gonna need rice, of course, measuring cup so you can get your water levels just right. You're gonna need some salt. I use sea salt, y'all. You're gonna need some butter. This is important to me, y'all, because I do not want to use all that dairy and stuff like that. This is dairy free butter. Okay, so it is country crock plant-based butter. Okay, it's made with olive oil. They do got one that is made with avocado oil too, if you want that, but it is, as you see, dairy free. It is gluten-free, plant-based. Okay, all right, so yes, and of course you're gonna need garlic. So that is what you're gonna need for this recipe. All right, y'all, so I am doing a very decent amount because I am cooking for 5 people. So I am going to do 6 cups of rice. Okay, so I fill my measuring cup all the way up, y'all, to 4 cups because that's the furthest it goes. 4 cups. And now I need 2 more cups of rice. This looks like I'm going to have to get another jar. Alright, y'all, so I ended up getting another jar so I can get 2 more cups of rice. Okay, 2 more cups of rice. Alright, got it. Alright, now I'm going to need 6 cups of water because I'm doing 1-to-1 ratio. Alright, so let me get my water. 4 cups. 2 cups. All right, now a lot of people will say jasmine rice is better. Yes, it is, but I have white rice. Okay, that is what I have on hand. I have a lot of white rice, so I am using white rice. So if you're not picky about that, you can use whatever rice you want to use. Next, I am about to use my onions. Now, part of me trying to be natural with most everything, I am choosing to use garlic. Did I say onion? I gotta peel my garlic, y'all. This is garlic. I am choosing to use the cloves. Okay, now you can use minced garlic if you want. I'm not gonna say use I'm not gonna say use garlic powder. I don't know why I want to say onion so bad. Maybe because it reminds me as I'm peeling it a little bit, but this garlic will cook down with the rice just fine. Okay, so that is up to you if you want to use minced garlic or not. But yeah, let me finish peeling this and then I'll show you what I'm doing next. Alright, y'all, so I got it peeled and washed. Make sure you rinse your garlic off once you peel it so you can make sure a lot of the husk pieces and stuff is off. So now I am just chopping it up. Very small. And you can put as however much if you want it garlicky, like you eating seafood or something with it. That's up to you. But you put however much you want in there. Okay, and the people in your house that you know probably will eat, you know what flavors you going for. Well, how strong of a flavor you going for, put it like that. So I'm gonna put, because I'm doing 6 cups. Let me tell y'all something. I cooked rice yesterday and did 3 cups. Man, that rice was gone so fast. Was it yesterday or the other? It was that coconut rice that I made, y'all. If y'all remember. If you ain't watched that video, check it out. Because by the time you see this one, that one will be up. Yeah. Alright, so I have my garlic all cut up. And now I'm about to put it in here. Put it in here. Not so fast though. I gotta wash my rice. I put all that water in there, y'all, and forgot. And when I opened the top, I'm glad I forgot for this reason, so I can show you. Y'all, wash your rice. I was gonna catch it. Look at this. I added that water and I gotta go over there and put, look. You see that? That's what you wanna wash off. So you're gonna keep rinsing it and rinsing and rinsing till the water come out clear. So let me do that real quick. Alright, y'all, so here it go. I done rinsed it and rinsed it over and over, and that looks a lot better. It's more clear. Okay, so I done rinsed it over and over and over. So I was gonna catch it once I seen that. I'm glad that y'all was able to see it if you don't rinse out, you know, your rice. So now I'm gonna add all my garlic. All my garlic. Alright. All my garlic. Alright, y'all, so now I'm going to add a stick and a half. And I can do that because this is plant-based, okay? It's gluten and dairy-free, hey? But I'm cooking a lot of rice, so. And this is called garlic butter rice, alright? Much healthier, okay? This is the only butter I use. I don't care if I'm baking or whatever. I only use plant-based butter, okay? If I can't use plant-based butter, then I don't need the recipe. So I got a stick of butter and a half off up in there. Now you're just gonna close it down, turn it on, hit the white rice setting, and let it cook. And I'll bring y'all back to let y'all see how it tastes. Well, can't see how it tastes, but how it looks, and I'll taste it. Add your salt. I use sea salt. Alright, y'all, so I got my garlic butter rice in my grease. And now I'm about to give it a taste test. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. If you like garlic, then you know, okay? Let's see. If you like garlic, then you know. If you like garlic, hold on, y'all. Now, what is this piece of paper? It's been on my plate or something. I don't know. But if you like garlic, then you know. Buttery, garlicky. And it's that natural garlic and butter flavor. Not that flavor where you got everything else with it. Not that processed flavor. Oh yeah. Whew. So good. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it gave y'all, why is it, my camera just did so weird. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it gave y'all some ideas and everything like that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I'll see y'all in the next one. If this is y'all as well, y'all be safe, okay? Bye.